Hello and welcome. You will learn what is wood profits and how it works, what results you can expect after using it, what about benefits and side effects. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Have you ever thought of starting your own woodworking business? As an idea, it seems wonderful and quite straightforward. However, many of the rules that made this business have faded. Now, with technology, competition is quite wild. People's needs are not the same as even 15 years before. For me, it was challenging to keep up. I knew I wanted to do this, but I also wanted to succeed. So, after looking all over the web, I came across this program, which covered everything I wanted. Now, after decades of wanting to start my woodwork shop, I had finally found what I needed. A fantastic guide to developing woodworking skills. The perfect method to make money while learning. Mind-blowing strategies to make my business successful. Of course, if you're good, people will come by themselves. However, there's more wood carving than just making great things. Have you noticed how artists struggle to make money? Well, it's not because their art is good or bad. Take a look at that abstract art that is so famous now. Instead, it's because they don't know how to sell. Now, you can learn how to make great pieces and make money with them. That's why I'm writing this Wood Profits review. This program changed my life forever, and if you pay attention, it could change yours too. What the Wood Profits really is. As I mentioned before, the program focuses on three main things. Teaching you this craft. Helping you get your workshop right. Giving you business skills. Most programs out there only focus on teaching you how to improve your skills. Of course, this is great and useful to learn, especially if you want to do this as a hobby. However, if you want to make money, you need a little more. So, unlike those programs, Wood Profits is the best way to get a solid foundation and create a successful workshop. Personally, it took us very little time to start making profits. The program is so well-paced, when you reach the end, you'd be getting your investment back. In no time, my hands were off my savings, and I was doing this full-time. Starting a new business, on your own, takes more than just knowing your craft. About Jim Morgan. He has had a successful woodworking business for years. In a few years, he took his business from zero to profits between $90,000 and $150,000. Jim Morgan has had decades of experience in the industry, so you can be sure that you will be getting the instructions and guidelines from a professional. However, this is not a master class or a seminar. Instead, it's an entirely hands-on business experience. It's said that knowledge is like manure. If you spread it around, things will grow. If you hoard it, you just have a pile of poop. Well, Jim has a lot of knowledge, and he's spreading it around. Very few experts will share their secrets, but here's one. Also, he's a regular man. So, this is measured and meant to help you take it easy without falling into laziness. All work and no play is not a healthy way to live. Finally, you can learn how to build your own source of income, enjoy life, and do something you really want. Starting with Jim Morgan's Wood Profits. As a vital point, Jim emphasizes a lot on what types of woods to use. Of course, this is expected and obvious, but his insights go beyond usefulness. In essence, Jim teaches you the characteristics of the woods and how to profit more from them. Deliver high-quality products regardless of the budget. Optimize woodwork and highly reduce waste. Get the best results regardless of the materials. It's okay not to go ahead with a project if safety is compromised. However, many people stop because they don't have the wood they want. The problem is that the clients go elsewhere and might not return. Increase your client retention by always being ready. Also, you'll learn how to maximize your first investment and start getting clients from different sources. Start with as little as $50. Learn the secrets to pricing. Make your clients happy while earning good profits. Build your business from zero with constant progress. Personally, this last part was super useful. Remember how I was struggling? Well, it was not that I couldn't make it. The problem was that I didn't know how. Growing your business. So, after some months of work and getting clients, if you want more, as I did, the program goes broader. How to land commercial contracts. Get bigger clients. Sell and ship internationally. At first, I was a little resistant to go for those things. I mean, they seemed like a lot of work that I didn't want to do. For me, this venture was about starting my workshop, selling, and calling it a night. However, the way Jim explains everything, it's actually quite easy. And many companies can help you, and they will charge the client, not you. Of course, it's a matter of preference, but at least you have an option. In 2 years, we were successfully selling online, and even supplying for local stores. What do you get when you buy this program? The main business guide. It contains all the knowledge of the program. Woodworking, building your workshop and growing your business. Plans and blueprints. Find blueprints for the most profitable products in the woodwork market. Learn to build minimizing waste and maximizing profit. 500 extra plans. Build more niche products to refine your skills. Become a woodworking master while making money. Reduce energy usage. Get 3 ebooks on how to keep your energy bill low. Make money without skyrocketing costs. VIP package bonus. 150 extra plans of highly elegant designs. Above all, you can get a physical copy of everything. Unlike other programs, Wood Profits can send you hard copies and CDs with everything if you'd like that. Just make sure you select the right option when buying. Is Wood Profits for you? This is not a scam business seminar or a multi-level thing. Instead, this is a well-rounded program that gives you all the tools you need to open your woodwork business. Now, if you're looking for a program solely focused on woodworking, well, you will find that in the bonus material here. However, this is not it. In essence, if you're looking for a program that will help you make a profit out of woodworking, then this is the best one. Once you start, and as you go on, you could get other programs to become better in your craft. Ultimately, if what you're looking for is a business, then, yes, this is for you. Pros. The skills required to begin are minimal. It doesn't matter whether you have never worked on wood before or you are new to it. This guide will give you all the details you will need to remake you into a professional too. There is substantial information. All the details have been fully explained and every process explained in a step-by-step outline. Minimum starting investment. Jim says $50 will be sufficient. Make money from your talent. You will get to pursue and improve your talent and skills. And while doing this, you also get to earn from it. There is also an 8-week money refund guarantee policy. If you don't like the program, then all you need do is ask for your money back, and it shall be returned to you without questions. A program from an expert. The program is written by a professional who has been in the business for almost 2 decades. Easy to understand, the PDFs are written in a conversational tone, and the audios are all friendly. This will make it easier for you to understand the contents of the program. Cons. It's not for the lazy ones. This product is only fit for those who have a passion for woodworking and are considering entrepreneurship. Conclusion. Sometimes, programs can run short if they try to cover everything. That was one of my fears here. However, the program's goals are quite clear and it delivers. Sharp up your skills, start making money, and dream big. Some people first go for being the best craftsman they can, others focus a lot on business. Here, you'll learn how to learn while making money. After the first part, you get to choose if you want to focus on the business part or the woodwork part. Imagine having that type of problem. Start now. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your Wood Profits today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.